Prior to installing, you'll want to thoroughly clean the application area and let it dry. With the tailgate closed, place the bridge post down approximately 1 inch off the tailgate with the top of the bridge resting against the tailgate. Place the corresponding hinges over the top of the bridge posts and flush against the bed post. A little adjusting may be necessary. Mark the hinge for repositioning placement. Peel the 3M backing from the hinge and press firmly in place over the bridge posts. Use your marks for placement. Slowly lower the tailgate to ensure proper alignment. You will gently want to close the tailgate so you don't pop the hinges. With the hinge in place, drill a 3/16 inch hole in the cab side port. Snugly secure the cab side screws. Mark the top and side of each corner. This will help you place your glide plates. Slowly lower the tailgate. Make sure each hinge is still parallel to the bedpost. Drill a 3/16 inch hole in the gate side ports. Snugly secure with the 3/16 inch screws. Hand tighten the screws to prevent any stripping. With the tailgate in the down position, slightly prop up the bridge. Peel the 3M backing from the glide plate. Using your reference points, place a 1/4 inch inside the edge of the bridge and an 1/8 inch above the bridge. Press the glide plates firmly in place and repeat this process for the passenger side. Slide the rubber caps onto the blowback tabs and apply your tail bridge label. Now you're ready to haul.